Good morning, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. In this video, as you can see, we have our Volkswagen Tiguan. It's a 2-litre TDI BlueMotion tech. It's a match, it's DSG automatic, so match model 2015, 76,000 miles. Full service history, 7 services in total. Timing belt, cam belt replaced at 53,000 miles. Price 9,995. Metallic black. It's got the black sort of velour trim. As you can see, rear park sensors, alloy wheels, lovely condition, excellent tyre. Again, alloy good condition, nice tyre. Front park sensors, you can see them down there. Turn the radio down now. This car has got satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, so self-parking assistant, so it will park itself. Multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, so sat-nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth, climate control, park sensors, self-park button down there, automatic. Got suede in the centres of the seats, cloth on the outsides. Got the rear picnic tables on the back seats. Nice clean car. They come with a space saver spare wheels, so you've got privacy glass, aluminium roof rails, obviously park sensors front and rear, parcel shelf, spare wheel, 4Motion, so 4-wheel drive. Rear discs look new, nice and silver. I can see them through the alloys. Great service history, 7 service, cam belt replaced at 53,000 miles. Total mileage covered 76,500 miles. Comes with 2 keys. Yeah, 76,574 miles. Automatic, diesel, 4-wheel drive, nice mileage, great history, good colour, cam belt done, 2 keys, currently MOT'd until, we will put a year's MOT on, so MOT till March. Come with 12 months MOT. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other Tiguans in stock, or please go to our social media channels, Barclay Motor Company on Facebook and Instagram. If you could follow us, that would be great. Now this video will be hosted on our YouTube channel along with nearly 2,000 other car videos we've produced. So Barclay Motor Company 5243 is our YouTube channel. If you subscribe to that, you will be the first to get a little notification each time we upload a fresh car into our stock profile. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.